morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
First of all, I would like to thank my respected teachers and my all dear friends who gave me a golden chance to speak in front of you. My name is Ritika Singh. My father's name is Mr. Ajay Singh and my mother's name is Mrs. Seema Singh. I am learning English speaking from Global Spoken English. I study in BA second year in Ramnagar PG College. I am here to deliver a speech and my speech name is Importance of Games and Sports. Our body is like a machine. A machine cannot work without oiling. In the same way, our body cannot work properly. Games and sports and exercise also. We should play games and sports and do exercise also because every person mind because everyone do exercise play games and sports to mind relief and everyone person do play games and sports like badminton, kho and chess because chess also is mind in sharp and games is very important. Every person most important of student because student to so stress in our studies and also person and senior citizen also exercise and teachers and parents should encourage our children participation in sports. Now I would like to finish my speech. Thanks for listening to me.